Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dishwasher detergents for soft water that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Finish Quantum Hard Water 82K product. This product is specifically designed to tackle hard water stains, but its advanced chemistry also makes it a solid contender for soft water users. Packed with active oxygen technology, these tablets are great at breaking down stubborn food residue without requiring pre-rinsing, a feature that saves both time and water. The 15% reduction in chemical weight compared to Finish Classic tablets is another point worth noting, as it's a more environmentally conscious choice. However, this product is unscented, which might not appeal to those who prefer their detergents to add a fresh aroma to their dishes. In terms of design and build, these tablets are individually wrapped, making them easy to use and store. They dissolve completely in the dishwasher cycle, leaving no residue behind. When it comes to performance, Finish Quantum delivers a consistent clean, tackling grease and dried-on food effectively in soft water environments. However, its primary focus on hard water stains means it may not offer the same level of shine and polish you'd get from some competitors specializing in soft water. The biggest selling point for Finish Quantum is its superior cleaning power, but its value proposition could be better for soft water users who don't need the hard water-specific features. Overall, this detergent is ideal for those who want reliability and a strong clean, but can overlook the lack of fragrance and soft water optimization. Pros: strong cleaning power, eco-conscious formula, no pre-rinsing needed. Cons: unscented, less optimized for soft water compared to competitors. At number 4, we have the Amazon Basics Dishwasher Detergent Packs. These budget-friendly detergent pods offer a 2-in-1 combination of grease-fighting and rinse-aid capabilities, making them a great choice for consumers seeking value without sacrificing performance. The formula includes oxy-stain-fighting agents that tackle tough stuck-on food residues and deliver a virtually spotless clean. Plus, with no phosphates, it's septic-safe and more eco-friendly than some alternatives. The pre-measured packs are convenient and easy to use, with a fresh scent that leaves dishes smelling clean after every wash. While the pods perform well in soft water, the cleaning power is slightly less aggressive compared to premium brands, which might be noticeable for users who frequently deal with heavily soiled dishes. However, the Amazon Basics packs do excel in removing grease and light stains, which makes them ideal for daily use. The biggest appeal of this product is its affordability and versatility, making it a great option for families or anyone looking to save money on dishwasher detergent. Pros: budget-friendly, eco-conscious formula, fresh scent. Cons: less powerful on tough residues compared to premium options. At number 3, we have the Finish All-in-One Powerball Tablets. These dishwashing tablets are a versatile and powerful solution for soft water users. The Powerball formula is designed to soften tough, baked-on food residues like lasagna and oatmeal, making it easy to remove even the most stubborn stains. Unlike some competitors, these tablets eliminate the need for pre-soaking or pre-rinsing, saving you time and effort. The rinse agent action ensures dishes come out spotless and shiny, with no lingering residue or film. The individually wrapped tablets are convenient and deliver a pre-measured dose of detergent, eliminating guesswork. They dissolve fully in your dishwasher cycle, and the fresh scent adds a pleasant aroma to your kitchen. While the cleaning power is impressive, the tablets do tend to perform slightly better in hard water compared to soft water, which might make them less ideal for users in areas with particularly soft water. Overall, Finish All-in-One Powerball tablets are ideal for households looking for efficient cleaning with minimal prep work. They're especially useful for tackling greasy or baked-on messes. Pros: powerful cleaning, no pre-rinsing required, fresh scent. Cons: slightly less optimized for soft water compared to hard water environments. At number 2, we have the Cascade Advanced Powered Dishwasher Detergent Gel. This product is perfect for users who prefer a liquid detergent over pods or tablets. The gel formula packs 3x the cleaning power to tackle tough stains, making it highly effective for soft water environments. Powered by Dawn grease-fighting technology, it effortlessly breaks down stuck-on food and removes oily residues, so your dishes come out sparkling clean every time. The fresh scent is long-lasting and keeps your kitchen smelling great. The 125-ounce bottle is incredibly cost-efficient, delivering dozens of washes before you need a refill. Its liquid form allows for customizable dosing, which is a big advantage for users who want more control over their dishwasher cycles. However, liquid detergents may require a little more attention during pouring, as overuse can lead to suds buildup. Performance-wise, Cascade Advanced Power Gel excels at removing both visible and invisible residues, leaving dishes virtually spotless. This detergent is ideal for households that prioritize cost-effectiveness and flexibility. It's especially useful for tackling greasy messes and heavy loads. Pros: powerful cleaning, customizable dosing, fresh scent. Cons: requires careful dosing to avoid overuse. And finally, at number 1, we have the Cascade Platinum Plus Dishwasher Pods. These pods are the top choice for soft water users thanks to their unbeatable cleaning performance. Formulated with 2x the Dawn grease-fighting power and scrubbing power compared to Cascade Complete Action Packs, these pods tackle even the toughest dried-on food residues with ease. The 40% larger liquid top ensures even more cleaning power, while still fitting seamlessly into your dishwasher's detergent dispenser. Additionally, these pods are designed to remove both visible and invisible residues, leaving dishes virtually spot-free and shiny. Cascade Platinum Plus pods are pre-measured and phosphate-free, making them safe for plumbing and septic systems. The mountain scent adds a refreshing aroma to your kitchen, and the pods are formulated to prevent hard water spots and filming, even in soft water environments. Cascade's #1 recommended brand status across North America speaks volumes about the trust and reliability it has earned over the years. If you're looking for a premium option that delivers consistent, powerful cleaning, Cascade Platinum Plus is undoubtedly the best detergent for soft water. It's ideal for households that want spotless dishes with minimal effort. Pros: superior cleaning power, refreshing scent, phosphate-free. Cons: higher price compared to budget options. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.